Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can change your WhatsApp group icon. So for this you need to open your WhatsApp and go to your group whom you want to change the icon. Then in the rightmost corner you will see a three dots. Click on it. A drop down menu will appear. Now click on group info. Then after group info you need to click on the group icon in the top. Click. You will see a drop down menu beneath. So open your gallery and select picture whatever you want. So here we will select this picture. Okay, here the picture of group has been updated. Now if you want to change this picture, just click on the picture icon and now you can see on the screen a pen icon. Click on pen icon. A drop down menu will appear. You have to go to your gallery and select the picture you want to use. So I will select this one, then click on done. Your picture of group has been updated. In this way you can change your group icon. Thanks for watching the video.